The most beautiful Father's Day in the world, Pikachu, the Persian kitten, and the unforgettable love. Hi friends! Today is Father's Day, but something very sad is about to happen. So make sure to subscribe now to find out how this story ends. Pikachu and the little Persian kitten were traveling the world to surprise their daddy. They visited the Eiffel Tower, the pyramids of Egypt, and even Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. But something was missing. Daddy wasn't home when they arrived. In the middle of their sadness, they found a mysterious envelope. It was a letter from Daddy that said, "I'm always with you, even from far away. Follow the sound of the heart." Pikachu cried, and so did the kitten. But they didn't give up. They climbed to the top of Japan's highest mountain, Mount Fuji, and there, they heard a song only Daddy used to play. Subscribe again now, because something magical is about to happen. Suddenly, a bright light appeared, and there he was. Daddy had come back. Hugs, tears, smiles. It became the happiest Father's Day in the world. Moral of the story, a father's love is the compass that always shows the way. Like, comment with, "I love you, Dad," subscribe, and share this special tribute. And if you can, support the channel with a donation to help us create more heartfelt stories.